Hello lovers of Annie's Gele and foodies, how are you all doing? Tie the simple head wrap by yourself. I'm using 4 layers of ashoki, and the first thing I did was to pleat it at this tip here. Then I'm going to replace my hand with a rubber band. After replacing, I'm going to fold it in. After folding, I'm going to arrange it before placing it on my head. So once I place it on my head, the next thing I'm going to do is to arrange the both sides by folding the edges, okay? Then where I'm holding now, I'm going to replace my hand with a rubber band. So when you are doing yours, make sure you replace it properly, okay? The next thing I'm going to do here is to fold it. Okay, so I'll open it up, fold it into 2, arrange it, fold it into 4. Then I'm going to confirm to check how it is. It was too big, so that's why I folded it again. That is 6. Okay, after folding it, I'm going to place it on my head, tuck those edges in so that it will not be rough. Take it round my head, bring it to the front, okay, then pass it through this rubber band at this front here. You can see it is very easy. Just follow these steps and you're going to get it right, okay? This is the outcome after passing through. This remaining here, I'm going to open it up, then carry it up. Begin to form a pleat from up to down. Just watch my hand and start from the middle, okay? After forming the split in the middle, hold it down with one hand. Then take your hand to the other side and form a pleat from beginning to the end. Then place it and secure that place with a pin. So don't forget, when you're securing this pin, pin it inwardly so that it will not be obvious. Okay, if you pin it out, everybody are going to see the pin. So pin it inwardly, that's pin it inside. Then once you are done, repeat the same thing. Place your hand at the center of this pleat, then use one hand to and form the pleat in this other side. Exactly the same thing you did in the other side. That's what I'm going to do it here. Form this pleat. After pleating, place it down, take your pin and pin it inwardly. Just carry it up and pin it inside. That's what I did there. Then once you are done, you're going to arrange it. You can see this style is very simple, very easy, straightforward. So how do you see it? Don't forget to give me a like, share, and also follow this page. Bye.